Did you know that 67% of seniors over 65 are consuming a so-called health drink that could be accelerating kidney damage by up to 300%? I'm not talking about alcohol or soda. I'm talking about something sitting in your refrigerator right now, something you've been told protects your kidneys when it's actually destroying them one glass at a time. If you're drinking this beverage daily thinking you're preventing infections or boosting your health, the next 3 minutes could literally save your kidney function and add years to your life. Here's what makes this so dangerous. Your kidneys filter approximately 50 gallons of blood every single day. 1. These remarkable organs balance your body chemistry, control blood pressure, and regulate red blood cell production. 2. But here is the twist that terrifies me as a physician. Kidney disease is called the silent killer because you won't feel symptoms until you've already lost 85 to 90% of kidney function. By then, you're staring at dialysis 3 times per week for the rest of your life. Most people don't realize this, but after age 65, your kidney function naturally declines by about 1% each year. Every dietary mistake compounds faster. Every harmful substance hits harder. Now here's where this gets personal. Picture yourself right now. You wake up and pour yourself a glass of something you believe is healthy. Maybe to prevent urinary tract infections, maybe for the antioxidants. You drink it with breakfast, maybe another glass at lunch. You're being health conscious, except you're not. You're accelerating toward kidney failure. The dangerous daily drink, fruit juice cocktails, particularly cranberry juice, orange juice, and other high-sugar fruit drinks. Let me show you the numbers. 1 cup of commercial cranberry juice cocktail contains up to 30 to 36 grams of added sugar. That's more than a Snickers bar, more than a can of Coca-Cola. Your kidneys contain approximately 1 million nephrons, tiny filtering units that remove waste. 3. When you consume these massive sugar loads, you create oxidative stress and inflammation, destroying these nephrons one by one. And here's what's really scary. Once a nephron dies, it never regenerates, ever, but sugar isn't the complete story. Here's the triple threat you're facing. First, these juices are loaded with oxalates that combine with calcium to form kidney stones. After 65, you're already at higher risk. And now you're pouring concentrated oxalates directly into your system daily. Second, potassium overload. As your filtration decreases with age, excess potassium accumulates in your bloodstream ... causing dangerous heart rhythm abnormalities. 1 glass of orange juice contains 450 to 500 milligrams of potassium. 2 glasses and you've consumed half your daily limit. Third, the diabetic accelerator. 26% of seniors have diabetes. That's 1 in 4 people watching right now. If you're diabetic, your elevated blood sugar is already damaging your kidneys. Add high-sugar juice daily, and you've created a perfect storm. The numbers are staggering. Studies show that seniors consuming more than 8 ounces of sugar-sweetened beverages daily ... including fruit juice cocktails, have a 61% higher risk of developing chronic kidney disease. That's not a small increase, that's catastrophic. Here's the irony that breaks my heart. These patients are drinking cranberry juice specifically to protect kidney health. The marketing has convinced them, but they're trading minor infection prevention for major organ damage. Let me address what you're thinking. What about the vitamins and antioxidants? Here's the truth. 1 orange provides 70 milligrams of vitamin C, 3 grams of fiber, and 12 grams of natural sugar absorbed slowly. 1 cup of orange juice, same vitamin C, 0 fiber, and 21 to 24 grams of sugar ... That hits your bloodstream like a freight train. You're getting the nutrients with triple the kidney damage. Here's what happens on a cellular level. Inside each nephron is a glomerulus, an ultrafine mesh filter. 6. When you repeatedly expose this to high glucose, the sugar molecules stick to the proteins through glycation. 7. Over time, this makes the filter stiff, scarred, and leaky. This is how kidney disease progresses silently, and by the time you notice symptoms, 85% of your filtering capacity is gone. Here's the timeline. Year 1 to 2, you've lost 5 to 10% of kidney function, but you feel fine. Year 3 to 5, you've crossed into early chronic kidney disease. Year 5 to 10, you're in moderate kidney disease. Requiring medication and dietary restrictions, the damage is irreversible. Here's your action plan starting today. First, eliminate fruit juice cocktails. Cut to 0 or 4 ounces maximum per week, not per day. Second, make water your primary drink. Add fresh lemon, lime, or cucumber for flavor without sugar. Third, if you love cranberries, buy unsweetened pure juice and dilute 1 ounce in 8 ounces of water. Or eat fresh cranberries in small amounts. Fourth, eat whole fruits instead of drinking them. Fifth, get your kidney function tested annually. Ask for creatinine, BUN, and eGFR tests, and eGFR above 60 is healthy. Below 60 indicates chronic kidney disease. Track these numbers over time. I had a patient, 72 years old, with an eGFR of 52, stage 3 kidney disease. He was drinking 2 glasses of cranberry juice cocktail daily. We eliminated the juice and optimized his hydration. 6 months later, his eGFR improved to 58. 12 months later, 61. Back in the healthy range. He reversed early kidney disease just by removing this one habit. Here's the future I want you to envision. You're 75, 80, even 85 years old. You're traveling, active, independent. You're not spending 3 days a week hooked to a dialysis machine. Your kidneys are still functioning at levels that give you freedom and quality of life. The bottom line, fruit juice cocktails marketed as healthy drinks are kidney destroyers for seniors. The sugar damages your filtering units. 8. The oxalates promote stones. 9. The potassium accumulates dangerously. You're sabotaging yourself unknowingly, believing you're making healthy choices. Your kidneys want to serve you for decades, but they need you to stop the liquid sugar marketed as health drinks. Make the switch today. Choose water. Choose whole fruits. Your future self is counting on you to take action right now. Don't wait until symptoms appear. That means waiting until it's too late.